YouTube friends, Geezer here, and guess what? Yeah, that's right, I'm driving old Classic. Yeah, her new tires came in and we're on the way to get them put on. It's a little bit of a scary drive because one of the right hand dualies only has enough air in it to keep it on the wheel, just keep the bead mounted, and the other one's about 20 pounds low on air. I tried to pump them up with my little air compressor, got nowhere with that, and our appointment is actually 10 minutes ago, so I'm just giving it a shot, just kind of idling along at 35, 40 miles an hour, you know, pissing everybody off, but you just do what you have to do. Anyway, I got about a mile left to go, and I'm gonna keep my attention on what I'm doing because I could get real squirrely here any minute. But that's what we're doing. I'll see you at the tire shop. Okay, we made it. It was sure scary, but we're here. Just wanted to let you know this is Hughes Tires in East Moline. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you won't from here. We're only about 2 blocks from the apartment. So I'm going to stay right here, but you know, I could just walk home and wait, but he said it'd only be about an hour. We'll see how that works out. We're all done. 6 brand new tires on Classy and an oil change. Yeah. We can step on down the road now. And I'm a happy camper. I think Classy's a happy camper too. I want to mention I didn't get any kind of a discount or anything for this, but Hughes Tire and Automotive, they've got 2 locations. The one that I was just at in East Moline, and another one in Milan, Illinois, right off the interstate. So if you're crossing the Mississippi on Interstate 280 and you need something done, they'll work on motorhomes. And they do just about anything. I got the oil change in Classy while I was there, and it was great to find some place that would actually do it. and they do brakes and pretty much anything that you'd need. So if you go into East Moline, say hi to Chuck Hughes. He's the one that runs the East Moline location, and his guy's out in the shop. Hi Dallas, I know you're watching this, you said you would, and they'll take care of you. So we're gonna go head back out to the storage and hang on, I'll see you there. Well, Classy's all nestled into her slip there at the storage yard with new tires, new oil, new interior layout, because I changed things around since it's just going to be Molly and me. I think we're ready to go to the campground. Yeah. I just have to look and see what's coming up, pick a time, and we'll throw some groceries in there, throw Molly in there, and we're going to go. I'm excited. I really am. I mean, I can't even, I'm beside myself. Well, no, I'm just on this side, but anyway, that's it for this one. I appreciate you coming along, keeping me company while I get those 2 chores out of the way and get Classy all set. So until next time, from Molly and from the Geez, happy trails.